First, you'll need to start out by pulling down on the brown tab so you can take out the little cord that connects to the motherboard. Now you'll need to carefully take out all the broken glass that is on the screen. Make sure to remove it all and the sticky stuff that is left behind. I found out the best way to remove all this stuff was with a pair of pliers and some brake clean. When applying the new screen, the sticky side is on the opposite side of the cord that connects back into the motherboard. There are 4 gold tabs that need to be adjusted to the left or right so that the screen doesn't fall out. This will need to be done before taking it off and after putting it back together. Make sure to clean off the screen, and when installing the new cord back into the motherboard, gently place it inside and pull the brown tab back. You'll need a T9 Torx bit to tighten these bolts. Gently push the 16-pin connector into the receiver. You'll need a T11 Torx bit to tighten down the 4 bolts on the back. You'll as well need a 2mm Allen to tighten the bolts on the back of the steering wheel to the screen. To finish it off, you can use any size Phillips head screwdriver to tighten the screws in the front. Make sure to tighten down the 8-pin connector on the back or your screen will not display anything.